I'm here today to show you how to put some of this lavender essential oil that I have, that's mine, the Zeldas brand, in your hair. I will take some and shake it from this bottle and see what we have. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to rub it on my hand, and then I'm gonna apply it, and we're gonna do one side so we can see the difference, because I always get the frizzes, and we're gonna see the different. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a fresh French lavender. Oh, it smells really good. And now we're gonna see the difference between this side and this side. And you know, I read this somewhere, and I'm gonna put it on the ends. Let's put it on the ends and see the difference here. It'll probably dry a little bit. I was out in the wind before, and a good thing is maybe it'll dry in the wind, and you see what a difference. So, and it's natural. There's no other ingredient in it besides the pure lavender. So